Good afternoon, guys. Hey, I just wanted to say I completed a stereo, I wouldn't say a stereo, but a Bluetooth installation on the Piaggio, whatever it's called, LT50 Liberty. I just completed this today, but I got speakers, tweeters actually up here, ran from up there, ran down there. Wire goes down in through there, down through here, comes up through here. There's a hole right down there that's from the factory with the rubber gasket on it. I just cut that in a portion. And then you're going to find this really weird, but this is actually the Bluetooth player. And I don't have this wired in here, but I mean it is on. You think, oh my God, you're going to get electrocuted or you're going to blow it up or whatever, but what I did is I drilled some holes through here. I ordered this part from Amazon, plugged in the speakers, there's the power, goes right to the positive, right to the negative. They're not too thick. Do that. So I ran the wires from down there, and then I drilled a hole down here to come in through that way to put the speakers in here, the subs. And they're just some Sony's 100 watts that I got actually at Savers. There's the boxes over there, as you can see. Yeah, my garage is dirty. I don't give a shit. So I cut out the holes, put them in there, rigged them up, positive to positive. It looks like duct or black tape, but there's actually heat shield. And that's about it. But here's the cool part. I can't do this on my phone, so I have to do this on my computer. So I gotta pop up some music and just see if this works here. Get rid of that. There we go. This is let's see, I don't know, this is my girlfriend's music, so please don't whatever on me. Alright, so I'm just gonna play something I can find here that's of course I'm gonna pick Damn Journey. Sorry. Alright, let's see how this goes. Wait for that to turn on. Yeah, Windows 10 is slow as hell. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to crank this up on here. It's cranked up on there. So you got a treble, you got a volume, you got the bass, and you got the treble. So I'll turn it up. Battery's a little weak. Alright, so you get the gist of it. But I'm pretty proud of myself. I haven't installed anything in probably 25 years. I'm old. I'm like 50, so. But, yep, and then you just turn it off, and I'm going to install a toggle switch for the power so that way it's not consistently on. But I just thought I'd share that with you guys. Anyways, you guys have a great weekend.